500 East Morehead is a 178,336 square foot newly constructed office asset located in the flourishing Charlotte market. Ideally positioned in one of the Southeast's top-performing submarkets, Midtown South End. The property is 98.6% leased to an attractive tenant roster, anchored by credit-worthy tenants with strong ties to the Charlotte market. This core investment opportunity features exceptional remaining term and is poised for a tremendous long-term outlook, as the asset offers an unmatched ability to attract and retain tenants due to its best-in-class tenant build-outs, a market-leading amenity package, and the market's premier office location. .500 East Morehead is a generational investment, presenting investors with a unique opportunity to acquire Charlotte's mid-rise office asset and obtain a stabilized cash-flowing investment in one of the country's fastest-growing markets.